Dear students, today I am going to explain you corrosion of metals. Corrosion of metals is the slow destruction of metals as a result of the chemical attack by air and moisture present in the atmosphere. During the process of corrosion, the useful metals are oxidized by the oxygen present in atmosphere in the presence of moisture to form a mixture of metal oxide and metal hydroxide. These metal compounds are non-sticky and peel off, exposing fresh metal surface for further corrosion. Thus, corrosion is an unending process which gradually heats up the whole metal. Now, the example of corrosion is iron metal corrodes in the presence of air and moisture to form a brown coating of iron 3 oxide, that is ferric oxide, and iron 3 hydroxide, that is ferric hydroxide, on its surface. The reaction takes place like this: 4 Fe plus 3O2 plus 3H2O, arrowhead Fe2O3 plus 2FeOH whole 3. So here O2 is oxygen that is obtained from air. This is water, and Fe2O3 is ferric oxide, and FeOH whole 3 is ferric hydroxide. Now the explanation of corrosion is: corrosion of metals is an oxidation process in which electrons are transferred from the metal to oxygen with water, that is moisture, acting as the transporting medium for these electrons. By losing electrons, the metal is converted into metal ions and forms the compounds leading to corrosion. This is explained in the following steps. First is, in the presence of air and moisture, iron atom loses electrons and gets oxidized to iron 3, that is ferric ions. So Fe, it goes oxidation and it forms ferric ion. Yes, because it is losing 3 electrons. Second step is, the oxygen gas of air takes the electrons given by iron atom and gets reduced to oxide ions. So here our O2 oxygen gas, it is gaining 2 electrons which are lost by iron, and it forms oxide ions. So it is reduced. There is reduction of oxygen. Third step is, ferric ions and oxide ions combine to form iron 3 oxide compound, that is ferric oxide compound. So ferric ions plus 3 oxide ions, 2 ferric ions and 3 oxide ions forms Fe2O3, that is ferric oxide or iron 3 oxide. And now fourth is, ferric ion also reacts with hydroxide ions present in water to form iron 3 hydroxide, that is ferric hydroxide compound. So ferric ion plus 3 hydroxide ions from water forms FeOH whole 3, that is iron 3 hydroxide or ferric hydroxide. In this way, corrosion of iron takes place. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.